Hi everyone, this is Aditya. You're watching Aditya TV. Guys, this is the part 3 of calendar techniques, which is given a date. Can you tell the day? So who's ever watching this video first, I am suggesting to you watch the part 1 and part 2, then come here, okay? I will give those two videos link in the description as well as in the comment section. So let us start our video. So guys, in the part 1, I've gave you some month codes, some year codes, and the codes for days as well. In the part 2, I've given you year codes for 100 years, which was very tough to by heart and which was very tough to understand. And I even heard complaints saying that the clarity was not at all good. Actually, I've taken a photo and uploaded it, kept it in my video. So that's the reason many people couldn't understand it. The clarity was not at all good. So that's the reason I'm doing this video, and this video will be the last of calendar techniques. So after this video, if you watch it with concentration, I bet after any date, if anyone gives you, you can easily tell what day it was of the week. Even it may be your birthday, it may be your father's birthday, it may be your grandfather's birthday. You can easily calculate it. Okay, let us get into the video. So guys, in this video I'm explaining you how to derive the year codes very easily and how to remember easily. Okay, and you can even copy it or you can even take screenshots. The very 1935 to 2036, so 101 year codes I will be providing to you in this video. Who's ever watching this video first, they may understand nothing, absolutely nothing. So that's the reason I'm requesting you to watch the part 1, part 2 and then part 3, okay? So yes, let us get into the video. So guys, as you can see, now let me explain you how to derive the year codes. Now, for suppose the 1935 code is 0. As you can see there, on the screen, 1935 code is 0. And then 1936 code is 1, 2. Why 2 codes for 1936, you may be wondering, right? Well, I will tell you the answer. 1936 was a leap year. Well, I hope everyone know what's a leap year, right? A leap year is a year having 366 days, one day extra, which is in February, which is February 29th. Okay, so that's the reason 1 applies for January and February, whereas 2 applies for March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, yes. And one more thing, after 6 it is 0, the codes. There is no code for 7 in this calendar techniques. Okay, there is no code for 7 in this calendar techniques. After 6 it is 0. Okay, for 1936 it is 1, 2, okay, and from 1937 it is 3, 1938 it is 4, 1939 it is 5, 1940 again a leap year. As you can know, after 3 years the 4th year is again a leap year. Okay, the 1940 is 6, 0. Well, I've said you before that there is no code for 7, so after 6 it is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and again followed by 0. Okay, as you can see, these are the codes from 1935 to 1950. You can take a screenshot or else you can even write it down on a paper. Well, let us go to the next slide. Well, these are the codes for 1951 to 1965. Okay, please write it down or take a screenshot, guys. It is very, very, very helpful. Those who all think that they don't require from 1935 to 1980, those back years, so it's up to you. I'm gonna tell till I'm gonna show the year codes until 2036. So you just watch. Okay, let us go to the next year, next slide. These are the codes from 1966 onwards to 1980. Okay, yes, let us go to the next slide. These are the codes from 1981 to 1995. These are the codes from 1996 to 2010. Well, this is a very important slide. I think everyone is looking forward for this slide, I guess. So please take a screenshot or else please write it down on a paper. So mostly who are born in these years, they can take these codes, okay? These are the codes from 2011 to 2025, okay? Not even past, not even present. I am even giving the codes for future, okay? Yes. Well, these are the codes from 2026 to 2036, okay? So now let me give a small example to you guys so that you will be full of confidence. Okay, let us go to my birthday, okay? 2004, let us take. 2004 code is 2 and 3. Well, my birth date is December 12th, 2004, okay? What is December's code? As I gave you in the part 1, December's code is 6, okay? And then the date is 12th. So what is 12 plus 6? 12 plus 6 is 18. And then you have to add 18 with 3 because December code of 2004 is 3. Because as I said, 3 is applied from March to December and 2 is applied from January and February. So 12 plus 6 plus 3. What is the answer? 15. 15 plus 6. What is it? 21. So when you divide 21 with 7, what do you get? Remainder as 0 because 7 3 is 21. So what is 0? 0 is Sunday. So I was born on a Sunday. Well, in the same way, you can even calculate your birthday also. Your birthday also, okay? It's very simple to do it. Very, very simple to do it. Okay? Now, yes, guys, let us end the video. Thank you for giving your precious time for my video. Thank you so much. Let us end the video, guys. Thank you so much.